Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content.
She is sleeping right now. She is sleeping right now. She was sleeping in the morning. She was sleeping in the morning. I wake up early in morning. I wake up early in morning. I woke up late in the morning. I woke up late in the morning. She is getting out of bed. She is getting out of bed. She was getting out of bed when I saw her. She was getting out of bed when I saw her. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. She was brushing her teeth. She was brushing her teeth. She is rinsing her face right now. She is rinsing her face right now. She was washing her face last night. She was washing her face last night. She is putting on her dress. She is putting on her dress. She was putting on her dress. She was putting on her dress. I am preparing my breakfast. I am preparing my breakfast. She was getting her breakfast ready. She was getting her breakfast ready. I'm eating my breakfast right now. I'm having my breakfast right now. She was having her breakfast an hour ago. She was having her breakfast an hour ago. She is still doing the dishes. She is still doing the dishes. She was still doing the dishes. She was still doing the dishes. I'm just leaving for work now. I'm just leaving for work now. I was just heading to work. I was just heading to work.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. I'm getting on the bus now. I'm getting on the bus now. I was getting on the bus then. I was getting on the bus then. getting off the bus right now. She is getting off the bus right now. She was getting off the bus the time. She was getting off the bus the time. I'm going to be late. I'm going to be late. I was getting late for the office. I was getting late for the office.